Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make ElevenLabs sing. All right, let's begin. First, start by entering your song lyrics into ElevenLabs instead of a regular text prompt. This will allow the AI to use your lyrics as the script to sing. Make sure your lyrics are complete and clear to guide the AI effectively. Next, select Model V3, which supports singing capabilities. This model includes special tags like the Sing tag, which signals the AI to vocalize the text musically rather than speaking it. Add this tag to your lyrics to ensure the AI interprets them correctly. Once your lyrics and Sing tags are ready, input everything into ElevenLabs and click Generate. The AI will process your text and create a melodic rendition based on your input. After a short moment, your audio will be ready to play, turning your text into a sung performance. Feel free to experiment with different songs and styles to explore the AI's flexibility and capabilities. So that's basically how you can make ElevenLabs sing. That's it for this video. Thanks.